Hello guys, if you are watching this video, you know that you start already the diet. So you went to the doctor say for breakfast a slice of bread with a teaspoon of jam without sugar. This is the solution because the mango is already sweet, will be a good jam without sugar. So for this recipe you need 1500 grams of mango, 1 apple, the juice of a lime plus a pinch of salt. Now we peel the mango, the skin of the apple we can keep on, and we cut all the fruit in small pieces. We put on the pot and we put on the stove with the minimum power. You cook very slow. When the jam have the density that you like, you can off the fire, put in the jar. Spectacular, especially with the sourdough bread homemade that you can find the recipe here. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the video. If you are starting the diet and you want more video recipe about the diet, please let me know down in the comments. Bye bye.